Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Wendy Joe, and today we are going to be talking about 2023 in review. And I'm going to share with you a breakdown of where all of our income comes from. If you do not know, I teach people how to earn passive income. I share the ins and outs of what works and what doesn't work to make that passive income. We make about $1 million every 2 years. So, about $500,000 a year. And I promised you guys a breakdown of 2023, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna share my screen with you, and honestly, this particular graph is not completely broken down into all 8 streams. I have it broken down into 4 because a lot of the streams kind of like overlap with each other. Most of them are in sales. Most of our passive income streams are in sales. And within the sales category, we have digital product business, and we have 3 different websites, actually 4 different websites that we sell digital products on. And then I have a courses website where I sell digital courses that teach people how to start digital product businesses. I have Canva tutorial courses. I have an Etsy course that I'm working on. I have how to start your own PLR business. So I have a lot of courses that I sell. So that's another sales website. So I have the 4 websites that we sell digital products on. I have the courses website where I sell my courses. And then we have a print on demand company where we sell products that are, drop shipped from a print on demand company, as well as just another sales site. So basically that's 4, 5, 6, 7 sales sites that all of this income comes from. The YouTube channel that I have the income for on here is the one that is mine specifically, which is this channel that you're watching. I wanted to show you the numbers from that. The other platforms is basically Amazon. So Amazon KDP, as well as Amazon store. We have an Amazon store where we sell products, like just an Amazon store. It is a completely passive store, and I am going to be doing a video on that because I've had a lot of questions about, is it a good idea? Is it not a good idea? And I've been waiting to do that video because I wanted to have some real numbers to look at and give you my recommendation. Because you guys know I always shoot it straight with you. I tell you if this is a good idea or not a good idea, and I share how much I make. So if you want to know the specifics of just the 2 digital product stores that I have shared on this channel, you can watch these videos here. And they are the full series that I take you through every month, and I share all the results of the digital products sold on Etsy and the digital products sold on Shopify. And that whole experiment was honestly set up to show you which platform would make more money, which one costs more in fees, and which one ended up ultimately being more profitable. And spoiler alert, it's Shopify. Hands down, Shopify beat Etsy every single month. And we do not pay for any marketing or ads with our Shopify store. It was all organic. Now with Etsy, we have another girl that runs the Etsy store for us. And with that, we do pay for Etsy ads, as well as to have offsite ads turned on that. Again, you can watch that series here. The whole playlist is there. And I will continue to do the monthly updates on Etsy versus Shopify through the first year of that store. Now, I will tell you that I am talking with somebody on Monday about possibly running ads. Now, I've never done ads in my life. I have always been huge on organic because a lot of people, when they're getting started making passive income, they want to know how to do it with the least amount of money up front, because they need extra income. They don't want to spend any money, which is, another whole thing that's like making me think of another rabbit trail that I need to do a video on, but not yet. But I am going to be trying ads, and I'm going to let you know because I have enough extra revenue from that business that I would like to try to grow it with ads and see if I'm able to pull away from as much of my marketing that I've been doing and get it even more passive, because that's really the only thing not passive about the digital product business is you have to be marketing on TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, somewhere. You've got to be marketing the products if you're not paying for ads and marketing. So so the sales, the YouTube, the other platforms is Amazon, and then the affiliate marketing is a combination of my Amazon associate account where I'm an affiliate there. And then I have some ClickBank affiliate links as well as Impact. So I use app.impact.com. And again, I will link up all the different things in the description here. So if there's any of these that you want to check out, they will all be linked in the description. But with app.impact, basically there are 3 companies I work with. Side note, you don't have to be an affiliate for every company that reaches out to you, because I can tell you I get multiple a day emails from people saying, will you do a video for us? Will you do this? Will you do that? And it's a lot. Like, it's just a lot. And because of everything else that I do, it's just, I am very selective who I will do videos for. And at this point, I'm not doing any like UGC type stuff, which UGC is another avenue where you can make really great money, but it really has to be all you do. And I'm just hands down just telling you, that's, if you're doing UGC content, it needs to be all you do, which UGC stands for user generated content. And basically it's kind of the direction that most of these companies are moving to with advertising their products. So they are using everyday people like you and me, and we create videos around their product, and then they pay you a commission for, promoting their product basically. So I get multiple offers a day. I don't take them up on app.impact. The only companies that I work with are Shopify, Canva, and Namecheap. Okay, so I'm an Impact referral partner, Canva, Shopify, Uplift Capital, and Namecheap, which this one I've done nothing with. That's all I do in here. And then also I am a affiliate for Everbee and for Sales Samurai, which it's more of like a portion of commissions. Like if somebody sets up an account, then you get a kickback from them, something like that. But anyway, so that's affiliate marketing. So those are all the platforms. So let's scroll down and look at the numbers. So affiliate marketing first, we're going to look at that. So for 2023, the total affiliate marketing was $6,638.61. So again, here's a list of all the companies that I'm an affiliate for. I'm not going to go into each and every one of them and show you what I made from each one. I will tell you the most profitable affiliate company that I work with is Shopify. And they just changed up how they're paying commissions. So I'm curious to see how that continues. But as of right now, that's been the best referral marketing, affiliate marketing that I've done. Other platforms, this is Amazon. So you can see this number here, $33,614.41. This also includes Amazon KDP. So this is our Amazon store plus Amazon KDP is at $33,614.41. YouTube for this little channel here, $627.15, which I just got monetized, as you can see. I think I got monetized at the end of September. And so then for the month of October, I got paid in November, I believe it is. I think it's like a delay. But so that was $131.99. It went up, and then it went up again in December. It kind of pulled back a little bit in January, but still a decent amount. And honestly, if you go to YouTube, it says that for 2023, I made over $800. So I feel like some of this, I didn't quite figure right because I was doing my own math on this. So, and then our sales column, like I've told you guys before, it is our largest column. But again, there are 7 different sales platforms that go into this. So, you can kind of break all of that down. If you want to see all the numbers from Shopify and Etsy, you can watch that video that I linked up before, which shows you all the numbers there. And then I don't have anything on any of my YouTube channels about our print on demand company or a couple of the other companies. And that's simply to protect the integrity of those businesses. So I do share a lot with you guys on here, but there's also things that we do that it would be very easy for people to come in and to take those ideas and run with them. And so I've already seen an influx of people starting their own PLR businesses, which is totally fine because, it is why I started my business. And, I now sell a master resale license so people can actually start their own PLR businesses, because it is a very good niche to get into currently. Because with the PLR business, you are helping people get started with a business that either don't have time to create the products or they don't have the knowledge to create the products. And so that's why I created the Digital Profit Mastery course, which is the Master Resale License course, because that's always been my goal with anything I do, is to help other people be able to start their own businesses. With that, you're getting not only a course that's going to take you step by step on how to start your own business, but you're also getting all of the courses that I create. So you're getting a how to sell on Etsy course, how to use Canva course, social selling course, plus the digital profit or digital product catalog. You get lifetime access to that and the ability to resell those and pass along that PLR license to your customers. So I can tell you from having started our own businesses in the past that there's nothing else that you could do that is that cheap to start. Because like when we started our brick and mortar store, for instance, we had Davis Design Market, which was a fun little store. Backstory, we were on HGTV. My husband and I were on Flea Market Flip. If you can find the episode, bonus points. But we were on Flea Market Flip. It's been a few years back. And after that, some crazy things happened in life. And we decided, hey, why not? Let's take our Etsy store and make a physical store and start selling in this cute little town near us called Haddonfield. And so we did. And it was so much fun. It really was. But oh my goodness, you guys, the expense, the overhead. We went from having no overhead and selling on Etsy. So like, you have your overhead on Etsy, but you don't have a store. You don't have utilities. You don't have insurance. You don't have all that crazy stuff. To having to have a first and last month's rent plus security deposit, plus we had to create all of these products to even open the store. We had to pay people to work the store, had to have insurance and licensing and all of these things. And so the overhead for starting a physical store is so much. And there are aspects of it that I miss. And I still would love to run a couple of other businesses that are physical stores. But I don't really want to be the one there running them. I just want to get them up and running and have somebody else do them for me. But that's for down the road a little bit. But all of that to say, that's what brought us into focusing almost 100% on passive income, because we can run 8 streams of income and not be running 100 different directions. And so basically, when I say we have 8 streams of income, let me break down the 8 streams. So we have affiliate marketing. We have Amazon KDP is one. Our Amazon store is another. YouTube was a new one that we added this year, but I also got rid of Davis Design Market this year. So that puts us at 4. And then we have 4 more streams that are all in the sales. So we have the digital product business, we have the print on demand business, we have the courses, and then we have our other website. And so that is how it all breaks down into the 8. And as you can see, the sales column is definitely the most lucrative column because, you're selling something. It's, I'm curious to see how other things pick up the slack as this 2024 continues. I feel like YouTube will go up quite a bit. I don't know about Amazon, if we'll stay at about this or if it will grow. The thing with Amazon is it requires investment. So if you are willing to invest more money up front, then you are able to see a bigger return on your investment. However, it takes money to start it. Again, that's why I go back to my courses being, it almost pained me to put that price point on the course, but I know it's cheap compared to other courses that are out there. I know it is. But then when I look at what it costs to start an Amazon store, and I am going to be doing that video, but I will tell you up front, to get the whole Amazon store like up and running was over $50,000. So it is not something for the faint of heart, and you have to have capital to start an Amazon store. You just do. And again, you'll get all the details on that. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see the follow-up video on that. I will be doing an updated print on demand video this year. I am actually going to be branching out more into a very specific print on demand company. And then there's another company that I'm starting this year that I don't know if I'm going to be sharing it on this channel or not. Once I have the trademarks done and I have the website and all of that kind of stuff, I may share it, but I may not, because I don't know yet. I haven't decided. In all of this, my goal is to encourage you, educate you, share with you what's possible, but at the same time, I do still have to, protect the integrity of my own businesses and our own companies and stuff. But so as you can see, our grand total for the year, it was a little bit down this year. Our goal is always to be right at that $500,000. My goal this year is to hit that $1 million mark. It is a very lofty goal, and we are not currently on target for it, but you never know what will happen in 2024. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.